Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Christy and you're joining me in our Common Kitchen Remodeling Mistakes video series. There are a lot of decisions, measurements, and plans that go into a kitchen renovation project. Therefore, it is usually unrealistic to assume that you can navigate the entire process without encountering some speed bumps. So if you are considering renovating your kitchen, be aware of these potential obstacles. Choosing your appliances at the end or later in the design phase of a project means a lot of extra work for you and your contractor. It is important to understand the size and specifications of the appliances because they have a direct effect on the size of the surrounding materials. Now, when you choose gadgets first, it is easier to design cabinets and countertops to fit perfectly, not the other way around. Your large appliances have been planned from day one. And like most homeowners, you may have chosen stainless steel for a refrigerator, ovens, and dishwashers. Remember not to overuse stainless steel though, because you also have microwave ovens, toasters, coffee machines, cooking pots, and frying pans. Try mixing colored or other metal objects for your range hood or other cookware. So please stay away from this kitchen remodeling nightmare. Like any homeowner preparing to remodel, you want the end result to be a stunning kitchen that you will love for years to come. Whether you are planning on a full kitchen remodel, kitchen cabinet refacing, installing new quartz countertops, making a major update, or something in between, our team at Mr. Cabinet Care is at your service with experience, expertise, and personal attention. Call them for a free in-home estimate and get started on the stunning kitchen of your dreams. If you have any cool ideas on what future videos that you want to see on our channel, please drop us a line in the comment box below. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series.